Go and come. Talk about the story. Let's talk about the story Go and Come. How many people are there in the story? And who are they?
There are 3 people in the story. There's the boy, his uncle, and his mother.
That's right, Priya. What parts of the body are mentioned in the story?
The chin, the throat, and eyes.
Good, Riya. There are many things that are done in the garden. Let's try and name them.
Watering the plants.
Placing manure around the plants.
Cutting and pruning the plants.
Cleaning the garden.
And weeding the garden. Very good, children. With whom did the boy weed the garden?
The boy weeded the garden with his mother.
What did the boy and his mother do when they were weeding the garden?
They chatted and laughed when they were weeding the garden.
They had fun.
What did you learn from this story, children?
Hard work can be fun.
When we work together, we can have more fun. Right. What did the boy in the story want to do all the time?
He wanted to play all the time.
And is that good?
No, it is not. But it is also not good to work all the time, teacher.
That's right, Priya. That's why we say in English, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. If you only work or only play, you will not do well in either work or play. Remember, you must play a little, study a little, work at home or in the garden or in the field. Then you will do everything well.